Hey friends, if you wish to fix 0x80048823 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the date or time settings. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time. Now check all of these three boxes. Set time automatically, set the time zone automatically, and show the time and date in the system tray. Now click on sync now and wait till you get a tick mark here. In most of the cases this will solve the error, but if it does not, then try the next solution, which is a WS reset. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. The next solution is to check the internet connection. So go to fast.com and check the internet connection speed here. The next solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.